In regards to the ever-changing regulation to do with food allergies, it can be really difficult. It's an absolute minefield. But because I'm in that space, I think it's really important that we are looking ahead and being the change. So we are a BRC AA standard factory. So we will be constantly looking at ways to improve. We actually batch test all of our machinery as well. So that's on top of what is needed. But in terms of legislation, I'm very close to Natasha's law, so understanding what's happening there. And I'm always pushing for change in terms of making it easier for people with allergies to understand labeling. Being a person who has allergies myself and I have anaphylaxis, it can be really difficult buying a product and trusting it. At the moment, I'm sure surveys are saying it's up to sort of 47-48% of people that don't trust labeling, and that's just the general public, let alone a person with allergies. I think there's so much more that needs to be done, especially in the free-from sections. At the moment, there's still so much alibi labeling going on. You can have something that says vegan on the front of pack and then says may contain milk and egg on the back. This shouldn't be happening because this could cost someone their life. There's also a lot surrounding nuts. For example, the free-from section stock a lot of products that contain nuts, 80% of which a lot of aisles do. This needs to change. There needs to be something within the free-from section that goes, okay, this is the top 14 free area. There's no may contains, and this is your safe space, and you can go and get good product from there. I would also say the labelling in terms of on airlines. So when you leave the UK, you have everything labelled because of Natasha's law. However, when you're flying back, there's no labelling on products a lot of the time. And a lot of airlines are still serving products that contain nuts, which is an airborne allergy, especially to someone like me. It's so important to attend the UK food and drink shows because you need to know what's going on in the market, the new trends that are out there, and also there's some fantastic new products. We alone have developed so many new things that are coming out that are suitable for people with allergies.